Even senior engineers dread writing regex. With AI, that's about to change. The simplest use case. Describe what you need in plain English and let AI generate the pattern. Say something like match an email address with any domain and you get back a working regex immediately. No memorizing / syntax or cryptic character class rules. And if the first result isn't quite right, you can refine it. Just say also allow plus signs in the username. AI is equally powerful in reverse. Paste any mysterious regex from a codebase and ask what it does. Something like this password validation pattern looks completely impenetrable at first glance. But ask AI and it walks you through every component. The anchors, the lookaheads, the quantifiers, which strings pass and which get rejected. Understanding old regex you didn't write is one of AI's most underrated superpowers. AI can also generate test cases for you, both inputs that should match and inputs that should not. But here is the critical part. Always verify with real inputs because edge cases are tricky. Run the pattern in a tool like regex 101 or your language's test suite. Even AI-generated regex can fail on Unicode, leading whitespace, or unexpected formats. Test first, trust second. Use AI to write, explain, and test your regex. But always verify with real inputs before shipping. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.